Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. We wanted to take a little time out to talk about several of the different type of insects that are most common in your house in this area. There's really about 5 or 6 that are just super common. They're the ones you're going to see the most. The one I wanted to talk about first is going to be, and it's mostly just because it's a cool one, it's called a silverfish. A lot of people probably know what these are. They get anywhere from about ½ an inch to a full inch. They've got like a gray, glossy, metallic look to them. They're one of the insects that don't have wings. And they get their name as a fish, silverfish, because they look very similar to a fish the way their body tapers down. And they're a pretty common in terms of you're mostly going to see them like when if you bring boxes down out of the attic, or maybe you've got a bookshelf with a bunch of books, or a library in your house. They tend to feed on those types of things like cardboard and paper and linens and like the glue in the cardboard. So they like all of those types of food and material. And whenever maybe you bring all of your Christmas decorations out of the attic, you might not be surprised if you see one of these guys running around. Sometimes they're not very common, or they don't seem very common, because of the fact that they're really more of a nocturnal insect. And they've got their bodies that's super flat, so it's really easy for them to sliver off and hide into areas that you just might not really be looking or having a lot of interaction with. So they're very, very susceptible animals, or insects. And what I mean by that is that it doesn't take a lot of environmental changes or a lot of contact with certain chemicals or whatever, and it'll kill them almost on contact. So one of the most important things to remember in terms of like preventing them or managing the whole thing is the fact that it's going to be more of like an environmental conditions, if you will. You know, make sure the house is clean. Make sure you don't have a bunch of boxes just lying around. You know, keep them in. Keep the boxes put away. Maybe if you bring some boxes down, leave it out in your garage. Don't bring it inside of the house. Or maybe you check the box before you bring it inside. Just make sure certain areas, like if you've got areas in your house that are prone to be cooler and more humid, maybe put some sort of dehumidifier in there, or just do something to make sure that you can reduce the humidity, because they like really humid areas. But like I said, if you do get an outbreak in them, don't fret. You know, they don't bite, they don't carry any known pathogens or any diseases or anything like that. They're just really creepy looking, and that's what freaks most people out. So if you do get some, if you get an outbreak, maybe you bring some boxes down and you start seeing them everywhere. Like I said, they're very easy to treat and very easy to get rid of. So anyway, hope this helps. If you got any questions, please let us know. We're going to put a couple pictures in here so you'll know what we're talking about. Y'all have a good day.